We're in the Gulf of Mexico, playing chicken with Hurricane Sarah. Forecast said we would have 20 knot, no, they said we had a 15 knot winds today. And it looks like we have 20 knot winds. I should have put up a storm jib. Instead I've got full size racing jib up. We're heading out towards this anchorage. Maybe Sabine Pass. Looks like we're 53 miles from Sabine Pass. Sabine Pass, as they say. Anyway, we're going pretty fast. How fast are we going? We're going 7 knots. I'm trying to not get seasick. Eating these ginger gummies. I've got these wrist things on. They seem to be helping. I'm not seasick. We're getting, looks like 4-foot waves. Sunday there's forecast to be 10-foot waves out here. I'm not sure how I feel about that with my proneness to being seasick. I'm useless when I get seasick, by the way. That's why I was trying to find crew for this trip, but good crew are hard to come by. There's a whole lot of posers out there though, I've found. Some of these old cargo ships look like they're derelict. They've been out here for years just rusting away. Some of them come in without proper papers because they just stole their oil from another country. Clipped in, got my life preserver on. I should have my radio on, but I don't. Whew. I don't know if I'm going to make it to Sabine Pass tonight. It's a 15-hour trip, they say. Well, I got a tack, so I need both hands to tack. I better get going. Oh, look at these waves. I think I'll head to Sabine Pass. There's a cold front coming in through Texas that'll push it east, so it shouldn't hit me. I bet it'll go to Florida. Whoa! Shit! There's Galveston. Way in the distance, can you see them? Bye Galveston! So long. It's been fun. It's been real. It's been real fun.